Do you wear this or this? Millions of people around the world need glasses or contact lenses to solve their visual problems. And because there are so many solutions, this can be a bit confusing. Based on your age, your visual needs, the state of your cornea or the general health of the eye, we can offer solutions for your glasses or contact lenses based on lasers like LASIK, PRK, trans-PRK, SMILE, or intraocular lenses like multifocal lenses, EDOF lenses, or ICLs. And while there are so many solutions, patients should keep in mind that there is not one size-fits-all solution. That is why it's important they have to come and be assessed to determine what is the best option for each of them. To get the best outcome is not only to have a successful surgery, but also choosing the right procedure for you. If you're interested in getting your vision corrected, please come to see us today, and don't forget to share this video with a friend of yours that is also interested in getting the vision corrected.